Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to make the girlfriend animation video that is still viral on a TikTok. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you need to do, of course, you need to install this TikTok application. And here I will access it from my Android phone. And if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS phone, then don't worry because this can be installed also from your phone. And right after the installation process is done, then you can simply open it and it will directly or it will usually direct you into the home page like this. And I will go to the searching section here, and after that I will type the keyword name girlfriend effect. Click it, and basically you can choose one of these effect, or you can also access this effect or template from the creation of another user. For example, I will choose it from here. Click AI girlfriend, and after that I will click use this effect, and after that you will start to select a picture from your gallery. You can choose the picture only from this section, not this section, because if you choose the picture from here, then it will direct you to upload a picture of the video. But since we would like to do the generation of the girlfriend animation, then we will only use the picture from here or being provided here. For example, I will choose this picture here, and kindly wait for the generation process. Approximately it will take 5 minutes to do the generation, and you can also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run very smooth and also fast. Kindly wait for the generation, guys. Well, guys, our video is almost ready, but if you would like to explore more about this TikTok, then you can click this continue generating in draft. So this TikTok will give you the notification that your video is ready and you can access it from the notification. Kindly wait for the process, and it's almost done, guys. And finally, our video is ready. This is the result after the rendering or the generation process. And if you would like to put this video into your post, then you can click next to post it. And that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And also you can do the editing right here by clicking this one of the option. And if you have any recommendation about the application that can do the same, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, guys, and we would love to make the video in another version. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.